This is my bearded dragon. She doesn't like the camera anymore. She's shy. Okay. And we're gonna look at her scales. She comes from Australia. They are brought here from the pet trade, so we're gonna look at her tail. Some scales are smaller and some are like much bigger, so that's a bit like when you look real up close. So. And then we're gonna look up at her back, which is like, you could see like, there's like, it looks like there's little splinters just coming out through the middle. Like you could literally see through. There's like little dots on the scales. It's pretty cool. Some of her shed from her leg looks like there's like little sand bits on it, but it's not. It's upside down. It looks like a wasp nest. Upside down it does. It's weird. What? This is another piece of shed from her back. It's a bit dried out. That's why it looks different. It's like, it looks like it's covered in like little itty bitty sand particles. Turn it over, see what that looks like. And then there's just like a whole bunch of little hollow holes in there, like rotting tree or something. There's like, okay, on her thorns, there's like, it's darker at the bottom and then it gets up brighter. Like dark black and then white. Like slowly like shades of different colors. Let's look at your little claws. There's a claw. Oh no. You could see hair on her claws because she's holding on to the jacket.